Well, everybody in here, if you were scalping, what would you do on a double top on a scalp? Everybody, you would
Puts.
buy puts, right?
Look at puts.
Or short.
Puts.
Puts,
you have
puts,
calls,
puts,
you sell
puts, always puts, always puts, always and forever, you guys. Let me show you. What did it do when it touched? Down. What did it do when it touched and it came back? Down. What did it do right here? Broke back through. Down. This is textbook. I don't want to say easy, but what do I preach in here on double tops, triple bottoms? What do I say? Every single day, I say the same thing. I'm like, hey, double top, double bottom, right? Look, let's use this as an example. Now, what do you think? The reason is, you guys, because everybody else is chasing it and they're getting FOMO. What do I say? Never buy calls on resistance, right? Don't I say that every day?
Yes, sir.
And don't I also say never buy puts on support? And now look, touch, fly, touch, fly. And later, if this would have been the same market, touch, up. You see the scalp? Ding, ding, ding. And because you're in the trade,